Well, as you've no doubt seen by the title of this video, that I will be doing the chemistry of bowling as my project. And you may think that bowling involves more physics than it does actual chemistry. But there is quite a bit of chemistry that goes into the production of bowling, and I will show you that within this video, and you will learn something. The first aspect of bowling that we will cover is the bowling ball. All bowling balls can be made up of several different chemicals and be combined in a whole host of ways to make bowling balls that react differently with the lanes. The first component, and possibly the most vital, is the core. The core is an asymmetrical solid shape that varies in every bowling ball and changes the way the ball spins or rotates down the lane. The core can be made up of several different chemicals and heavier elements such as graphite, barium, and bismuth. When all the chemicals are combined, there's a catalyst within the reaction that causes heat and solidifies the core. When the core is created, it is placed in a sphere-shaped mold. That mold is then filled with different chemicals such as urethane and plastics. Once the urethane is solid, the ball is then colored and a cover stock is placed on it. A cover stock is a clear coating made up of urethane, plastics, and epoxy resin that changes the friction between the ball and the lanes and changes the way the ball hooks or curves on the lane. You can see some bowling balls, such as the Storm Dimension, have a shiny finish from the cover stock and therefore will hook more than a ball that the bowling alley will provide you that is mostly made up of plastics instead of urethane and has no cover stock on it and therefore has no shiny finish on them. So as you can see, there is a lot of chemistry that actually goes into bowling. Now, the next aspect that we'll be focusing on is the lanes. Now, the lanes probably don't have as much chemistry as the bowling ball, but the lanes are, where everything happens, so, we should talk about it. Okay, the second aspect of bowling that we can look at are the lanes. There are two different types of bowling lanes. Most are made of wood, and some are synthetic. Wooden ones are made up of two different types of wood. The first 12 feet of the lane are maple planks. The maple is a really tough wood designed to take the impact of the bowling ball. The remaining 46 feet of the lane are made up of a softer wood, pine. Now, synthetic lanes are usually made up of a compressed piece of paper with a strong layer of plexiglass over the top. Now, what some people don't know is that there's a layer of oil or conditioner, usually made up of a urethane water-based epoxy formulation that changes the way the ball hooks or curves on the lane. Alright. Now that you've seen all the aspects of bowling, now we're going to put it all together and I'm going to show you how the bowling balls, based on the chemistry of how they're made, will react differently with the lanes in this video montage.
1 second, go. Are you kidding me? Go. Whoa.
So there you have it, the chemistry of bowling. Thank you for watching this video, and here are the credits.